Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Baby Dogecoin, what it is, what's new, and where its price might be heading in the future. We have got community efforts, token burns, utility expansion, and price forecasts going through 2030 and beyond. If you are even slightly interested in meme coins or crypto trends, stick around. A deflationary meme token built on Binance Smart Chain. Impressive supply burn from 420 quadrillion to around 160 quadrillion in circulation, with over 300 quadrillion burned. Reflection mechanics. Holders earn rewards with every transaction. Deflation plus reflections equal to core economic design. Significant for supply-driven price pressure. Telegram, Twitter, X, Reddit, activity is strong. Community, daily like/retweet, tasks. Ongoing push for listings on major exchanges like Binance, WazirX, KuCoin. KuCoin listing April 2023 boosted price about to 15%. Potential for NFT drops, DeFi integrations, micropayments dipping, real-world use cases. Previously announced virtual crypto card Google/Apple Pay from 2023. Paid partnerships, for example, Amino Rewards program, flagged as AI and big data token on CoinMarketCap, could attract institutional attention. Current price 2 to Jess with $225 million market cap, ranked 2 to $185. Some sources show 2 to Jess .120 to DANR price and $494 million cap. Technical indicators trading above the 50-day moving average, neutral RSI, consolidation phase, volume may trigger a breakout. Bitcoin wisdom, average 2 to Jess $0.1, $300, range 2 to Jess 273, to $2, $400, digital coin price / coin data flow, 2025 forecast between 2021 to $22, $3. Pricepredictions.com, peak 2 to Jess $0.11, Cointail, wide range of $25 to $22 toward year end. CoinCU, per month forecasts, August 2025, 22 and 3, 2 to Jess 22.7, 2029 high, 2 to Jess $0.0353, 2032 max, 2 to Jess $451, 2033 max, 2 to Jess $0.071 in 27. Other projections, CoinCU, CoinCodex show monthly 2026 channels of 23.8 to 2 Jess $2.1215. Consensus summary, 2026 to 227, 24 $4 to $2.213, 2028 to 230, 24.8 to $2.25, 6 possible depending on adoption. Bitcoin halving cycles, for example, new halving to 2028, often trigger meme token rallies. Continued token burns, supply reduction creates scarcity. Exchange listings and DeFi integrations, each new listing or utility boost enhances liquidity and visibility.